Hey, it's Shubumi from Parallel Leads, and in this video, I'll explain how to set up an email sequence in Rich Inbox. So, the first thing we'll do is we're gonna come to the campaign and we'll click on the particular campaign we want to run the sequence on. So, once this is loaded, we'll go to the sequence option. So, this is where the entire email flow is created. So the step one is basically step one right here is basically is the initial outreach email. So this is the first email that the lead or the person we are sending the email to. This is the first message they're gonna receive. So it needs to be like very clear and relevant. So wherever we're putting in the copies needs to be so clear to the person so the person knows why we are reaching out to them. So the second step is the follow up. So step two and step three are basically the follow up steps. So they are sent automatically if the lead does not respond to the initial message. So basically the standard is between 3 days. That's like the timing. So yeah, between 3 days each step, but also 5 days that Pearl Lemon has kept it to is actually very okay. So the receiver is not gonna be overwhelmed by us sending repeated emails to them frequently. So 5 days is also reasonable, but minimum threshold should be within 3 days. And yeah, so basically we use three steps, and the next thing to take into consideration is the formatting aspect. So anytime we want to paste, we should always paste our email copy using Control Shift V. So the reason why we're using Control Shift V to paste is because it helps to remove formatting issues and it keeps the email clean. So yeah, that's the reason why we use Control Shift V. Also, for personalization, we use variable like first name and company name to personalize the message because okay, I don't think there's personalization in this message that I'm sending, but yeah, we use personalization in the message because it makes the email feel more natural and it actually improves response rate. Yeah, if you think about it, response rate. Okay, that's basically for the sequence, and that's how to structure a simple and effective email sequence. Just basically doing step one, two, three, and also you format it by. I mean, when you want to paste the copy, you use the Control Shift V so that you don't have any formatting issues and your copies are clean as possible. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.